Today is Thursday, August 12th. This is the 1964, 1 year only, Cadillac right-hand exhaust manifold, casting number P1-148-1668-M. This is the original vintage 1964 right-hand exhaust manifold. Absolutely beautiful. This is for the first year of the 429 engine, as 1964 was a transitional year from the 390 to the 429. So in the first delivery of the 429 engines, we have the 148-1668-M as the designated right-hand exhaust manifold. This is an absolutely beautiful, pristine condition exhaust manifold, show quality, and the unit has been fully cleaned and serviced. It's been surface coated with a corrosion resistant climatized surface treatment. Okay, absolutely beautiful. MagnaFlux tested, so there's no imperfections, no cracks. And all of the mounting faces have been precision machined and very, very important, drilled and chase tapped the threaded studs with replacement show quality threaded studs and brass show quality nuts in order to facilitate the closed connection between the donut of the exhaust piping and the cast iron manifold itself. Okay? Very, very important for the sound integrity of the exhaust system. So I'll go ahead and I'll turn this beautiful unit over. This is a beautiful show quality mint condition unit. And we have the mounting portals. The faces are remachined and absolutely beautiful. Totally flat and parallel and in alignment with each other, but as is always the case with the replacement of the exhaust manifolds, you should always use a gasket when mounting. Okay, so this will be going to my friend Rick Snell in Merville. As soon as I get his okay to ship, reply confirmation. This is George in Florida. I have over 75,000 original vintage parts from 1964 to 1967, 75,000 parts from 1970 to 1976, and over 375,000 1959 to 1978 Cadillac items overall. I'm best known for my restoration of the Cadillac steering wheels, the tilt and telescopic steering columns and standard columns, the power seat mechanisms, the instrument clusters, of course these beautiful show quality reconditioned exhaust manifolds and other critical hard to source original vintage Cadillac items. This is George in Florida. Today is Thursday, August 12th. Thank you very kindly.